At Partner Co., we believe that nature offers the best way to nourish your body, strengthen your cells, and help you live your most vibrant life. Every product we develop starts with a science and nature collaboration, combining nature's healing power with cutting-edge science. From farm to pharmaceutical, our scientists reimagine your nutrition essentials by hand-picking goodness straight from the earth. Precision nutrition made precisely for you. With wellness solutions that last. We go above and beyond when it comes to your health, conducting clinical studies and thousands of safety, quality, and third-party tests. Each product guaranteed, tested, and proven to help you live a healthy, balanced life. You deserve to feel better longer with wellness solutions targeted to support your health. Start your transformation today with Partner Co.